Hey guys, a couple months ago I did a video on a misfire issue I was having and about the spark plugs on a 4.6 and how hard they are to get out and yada yada yada. Anyway, just wanted to do a follow-up. Misfire issue is still completely gone after we put the new plugs in. I went and did a couple other things to the truck that really kind of impressed me when I did them, so I wanted to share them with you. Actually, I did three things. The first thing I did is put a K&N filter on it. It's like this cold air kit. It gets rid of tons and tons of stuff. The stock filter and so forth. I found this on eBay. I got it pretty cheap. It uses the original temperature sensor, or whatever that is, the mass air sensor I think they call it, but all that just gets screwed into this hard plastic pipe and it replaces all this baffling stuff they had. Truck's a lot louder when you give it gas, but I'll tell you what, it's this combined with the other two things I'm going to show you are a really big deal. Second thing I did is I went and got a Diablosport, what's it called, Trinity. So it's this computer thing right here. Basically, it looks kind of complicated, but it just plugs into the OBD port, they call it. And once it's plugged in there, you can program it with all these different tunes and so forth. And that combined with the cold air intake that I put up there. And then lastly, I don't know if you can tell in this video, I'll know when I look at it, but the truck sounds totally different. And I went down to the local muffler shop and they took out the factory muffler and then I just put in this single Flowmaster muffler right here. And it was kind of cool because what they took out was like hundreds of pounds, maybe 100, 120 pounds. I mean, it felt ridiculous. But you take out the regular muffler, put on the K&N Cold Air, and then put this in, and then run super unleaded in the truck. And I gotta tell you, it really woke this truck up. So it's just a simple little follow-up to the misfire issue. The misfire issue is gone. I don't have any more check engine lights, and it's definitely the spark plugs. And if you gotta change spark plugs on a 4.6, watch that video, because it's not that bad. But you know, if you want to spend, it was probably, I don't know, maybe $700-800 total to put these parts on it. And what a difference. I mean, I'm just a soccer dad. I got, you know, a single dad with 2 girls and drive the kids around and stuff. But the truck's kind of fun to drive now. So anyway, just wanted to see that and a follow-up. The misfire is still gone. So if you're getting that misfire issue on a 4.6 3-valve and you change the plugs, it should fix it. That's it, guys. Hope all's good, and thanks. Bye.